In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to create perfectly curved text using CorelDRAW. This technique is absolutely essential for anyone looking to step up their graphic design game and add a creative flow to their layouts. To begin this process, we first need to establish the path that our text will follow. You can achieve this by selecting the ellipse tool from the toolbar, or simply press the F7 shortcut on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle. If you are looking for something a bit more unique or artistic, you might prefer to use the Bezier or the pen tool instead. These specific tools allow you to draw a custom wavy line or any irregular shape that suits your project needs. Once your path is drawn on the workspace and ready to go, the next step involves preparing your message. Head back over to your toolbox and click on the text tool, which you can also quickly access by pressing the F8 key. Now for the most important part of the entire process. Rather than just clicking anywhere on the blank canvas, move your cursor specifically over the edge of the line or the circle you just created. You will notice the cursor icon change slightly when you are in the right position. Click directly on that path, and you can immediately begin typing your words. As you type each letter, you will see the text begin to wrap effortlessly around the curve of your shape. This method keeps your design looking professional and ensures that the letters are spaced evenly along the contour. It is a very simple yet powerful way to create logos, badges, or interesting typography for any digital project. Simply follow these easy steps, and you will be curving text like a seasoned professional in no time at all.